This one, I didn't know if I was trying to do spider. I was trying to do spider moves or what.
For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way.
You tell him he's all you see. Tell him you got his keys, cause you thought he needed them. But he's not coming back again. So he's gone, leaving then. You won't see him again. It was convenient, but you won't be staying friends. And you know that.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Bambi here again, and if this is your first time seeing me, or if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And if you're an old subscriber of mine, hello, welcome. So today I'm here to show you guys how I take my pictures with my iPhone and then how I edit them for Instagram. So basically I take my pictures alone. I normally take my pictures alone, and if someone is around, I just set my phone up for the person to take pictures of me. And the sad truth is, you taking pictures of others are so nice than them taking pictures of you. And you need like 4 major things for taking your pictures: a Bluetooth remote, a tripod, a ring light, and then your phone. So I basically take pictures with my iPhone 13 Pro Max. I support that with my Apple Watch to aid me in seeing exactly how I'm posing, because I'm pretty good at taking pictures, but I'm also not that good at posing for pictures. So I use this Bluetooth remote, and then I also use my Apple Watch in taking my pictures. So first of all, I set my watch. Whatever that is on the watch is on the camera too, so you can really see what you're doing here, and then take pictures using the timer, or you just straight away take your pictures with the Bluetooth. I'm going to show you how to set your camera quality as high as you can on your iPhone. Then go straight into my settings, go down and look for my camera, and then when you look here, you see that record video 4K at 60 frames per second. I tap on that, and that is on the highest frequency, and it helps when you take pictures within your videos. So that's how my camera is set up too. I set my camera up on portrait using the studio light to take my pictures. I've taken a lot of pictures already, and some are nice, some aren't that nice. I go through them and I choose the ones I really like and then edit them. So I think the earlier parts of the pictures, I take a lot of pictures, but the earlier side of the pictures, I didn't really like them. So I'm just going to focus on these ones. Let me see. This picture is nice. I can work with this one. So I'll tap on the hat to favorite it, and this picture to sit on, because I was stressing. I was just trying to get the perfect shot, but it wasn't working. So I had to drop the tripod and then come back and take the phone to take the pictures myself. This one, I didn't know if I was trying to do spider. I was trying to do spider moves or what. So we are going to focus on this particular picture because I like it. And I'm going to first of all edit it with the iPhone settings, the editor in the gallery, before I move it to the app that I use. So I'm going to use the portrait, increase my portrait, come here, and then exposure. I normally don't go that high with my exposure. I come to the brilliance, and I try to I want this picture to be a bit moody, so too much light is not going to help. I'm going to tone it down and then make it a bit moody. So the highlight, shadow, my contrast. I like increasing my contrast a lot. I don't know what is with that, but I like it like that. The brightness, I don't think I want it too bright, so it's going to be like this. Black point, too much of that too. And then the saturation, ooh, I think I want it like this. Vibrance, a bit, and then I go straight to the sharpness because Instagram tends to kill the picture when you put it there, so I increase the sharpness a lot, and that is it. I'm done here. So after this, I go to this app on my phone called the Facetune. I know everybody likes Facetune, so I go straight to Facetune. So I choose my Facetune, and then right there you can see your recents and your favorites. So if you go on your favorites, you see that picture in its full glory. And the first thing I like to do is zoom in and then smooth my skin. So it helps with the completion of your makeup if it's a bit patchy. So that's basically it. Knowing that, I pretty much check around the picture if I have to pay attention to something, but I don't really think I need to do much to this picture because I don't have to curve my body. The way I'm sitting in this picture makes it difficult to finesse your shape, so I'm going to just leave it like this. But the best thing I use here on Facetune is their filters. I love the intensify. Right at this moment, you can see how changed the picture is, and then whew, this one is so good. I have a subscription with Facetune, and I pay, is it monthly or annually? I can't really tell, but one of that. But I love their filters. You don't have to do much to the picture. The filter will just finesse it for you. And you can see I'm using the intensify filter, and if you touch on the filter and then you want it intense or less intense, you can decrease or increase it to help you know what exactly you want the picture to be. And I've already said I want this picture to be a bit moody, so I'm going to go with, ooh, I love this one. So I'm going to decrease it to like 50, 51, and then save it, and probably come back to show you other filters you can use on the Facetune app. So as I did that, I'm going to save that app, and then as you like, that arrow there is going to turn back, or is going to like take off all that editing you've done on the picture. So I go back and then undo my filters, and I will try other filters to see. There is this one which is nice, the golden hour filter. Ooh, this one is fire. I love this one because it's so intense. I don't know if I should use this or not, but normally I use the intensify and then the no filter, and also the urbanity filter. So they have the pitch. There are so many filters on this application you can use for your picture, but basically the ones I use is intensify, urbanity, and then no filters. So yeah, that's basically it. And I always make sure the size of my picture is that of Instagram, so you can crop if you want to crop, or you just let it be like this. So yeah, that's what I do. So I'm going to show you the picture before and after of these pictures, and then we'll see if my editing did something different to the picture or not. So this is the picture I edited. As you can see, everything is just smooth and nice and all that. And this is the original. That is all I do for my pictures, and I go straight on Instagram to post it. I'm pretty sure you know how to post a picture on Instagram, so I'm not going to go there today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye.
Talking about that